Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on how to use emoji on Windows PC or laptop. In this video, I will show you how to open emoji on your PC or laptop using very simple method and without additional software. When writing informal emails or chatting with our friends, sometimes we need emojis to emphasize our conversation or express emotion. To use emojis on your Windows PC or laptop, it's very easy. You can press Windows plus dot on your keyboard. An emoji board will appear. There are many emoji lists such as emoticons, foods, and others. Emojis can express a variety of objects, which can emphasize a conversation. You can also find a list of symbols. There are many symbols that you can use. For example, I want to type square meter like this. You can also use emojis in Word or WhatsApp and Telegram web chat. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.